Today we are beginning a partial renovation in this very old bathroom. And part of the issues with the subflooring is that it's rotted because of leaking faucets and a leaking bathtub drain. And another big problem is that the shower curtain was installed incorrectly and it was used incorrectly. So there's big water damage to the floor because there was also no waterproofing. So we're going to be replacing the subfloor, waterproofing the area, and installing brand new tiles. So we will be demolishing the rotten underlayment material. This bathroom is a great example as to why waterproofing around the bathtub is very necessary. A hammer and a paint scraper work very well when pulling up the old vinyl flooring. And it can also be helpful to use a utility knife. Just cut the flooring into sections and then pull it up. With all of the vinyl flooring removed, except for around the toilet, we discovered that the damage was more extensive. There was also water damage beneath the sink and vanity and around the toilet. So let's remove all of the rotten underlayment materials and install new. This wooden column that sits close to the bathtub is severely rotten on the bottom. So we will clean out all of the rotten debris and rebuild it. Now that all of the damaged underlayment material has been removed, we discovered that the subfloor around the toilet area is even more damaged. After repairing the subfloor and the wooden column beside the bathtub, we installed new cement board underlayment materials. We also properly waterproofed the bathtub area, the sink area, and the toilet area. Using a straight wooden plank as a ruler, we began installing the floor tiles beginning at the entrance of the bathroom. After all of the repairs and the new ceramic tiles are laid, you can see the bathroom is beautiful and safe to use. Since this home is a rental property, we installed a glass tub door, sometimes called a shower shield. This protects the investment of the homeowner and it adds a beautiful touch to this bathroom. We have written a new home improvement book titled, What's Wrong with My Bathroom? It's 300 pages with 885 pictures to guide homeowners in their projects. Head over to our website for more information.